It's a beautiful sunny day. It's 9:25 a.m. We're at Value Village and we're gonna go check it out inside, see what they have. I have the Eddie Bauer jacket to deliver on the way to Unicity, which is that way. And then we're gonna go to that other Value Village after we drop off the jacket. I sold it for $85. Purchase price $38. So good profit on that. Sales have been rampant and lucrative, so that's really good. Yeah, let's go inside and check it out. I have a feeling that's Tiffany right there. Does that not look like Tiffany? It looks like Tiffany. Lemon, lime green for 20 bucks. Faux Prada. I remember like during the early stages of eBay, I remember that I always wanted a Harvard hoodie because I probably will never attend Harvard, so having a Harvard hoodie would be like amazing. I remember looking on eBay for these and they were like super expensive back in the day. See, there's this Harley Davidson and it's a really good price at $11, but I don't know. I feel like it's not going to sell because it's not your typical Harley Davidson looking kind of shirt. And there's this Boss. It's like velour, $7.50, good price. Like a tracksuit almost. I just wanted to show you guys this Badgley Mishka leather and wool coat. So pretty. I think this is his high-end line. It's all like expensive materials, like it's a medium. And it has like a tie around. This is like all leather and this is wool. It's a really nice coat. Store, Salvation Army over here by Unicity. We're gonna go inside, check it out. We got some good stuff. Well, we got two good things at Value Village I'm excited for, and yeah, let's go check it out inside. I guess I'll keep vlogging. Oh wait, gotta get my money. Hold on. My money. It was like, okay, hold on, I'm gonna position you that way so you're not just looking at black stuff. The guy that well, an older lady bought the jacket, like a grandmother or a senior citizen, but her son was there and he was like inspecting the jacket and I was like, damn, he found. It was kind of cute to see him with his mother. He was like the older kind of daddy type, older daddy. Ugh. Even though I'm getting to that age, I don't feel like I'm old. I feel like I'm still young. And I feel like I act young, which is like even more important. Well, the fact that I'm also Asian and I don't look my age, I think, helps. Also good skincare, which reminds me I have to literally get a facial soon. And microdermabrasion and all of the above. Good price, but I just don't know about the style. So I'm just coming from Dollarama and okay, so I was buying some Heinz ketchup and they had it on the shelf for $2.50, but then it was ringing up as $1. And then so the cashier was like, no, it's broken, I can't sell you this. I'm like, okay. I thought first, oh, the bottle was broken, so I was like, I'll go get another one. She's like, no, I can't sell this, it's broken. So I don't understand what she's saying. And then I kind of finally realized, you know, I'm like, is it expired? She's like, oh, I don't know. So I think they just didn't want to sell it for $1 each because it was like the brand name Heinz ketchup in the glass bottle. Yeah, it was $2.50 and then it was ringing up as $1. So then she just refunded it and I was like, okay, whatever. I don't really care. But I mean, it wasn't a big deal because it's just ketchup. But if it was something I really, really wanted and at that price, I would have made a big stink about it because they legally have to sell it to me if it's ringing up that way. Anyway, off to Value Village. Let's go inside, check it out. Then we're gonna film the haul at my apartment. You guys know the drill. We're there because it was just kind of busy, but they had a Dooney & Bourke for $70 But it's a really like desirable style. It's like the hobo style. And it was in really good condition leather. And they had a coach for $80, and it's like factory outlet, and it's not even a desirable style. So they had and 2 coaches like in the whatchamacallit, the showcase. Yeah. Severely overpriced, if you ask me. Not that you did. Oh, and they had Moschino perfume for $25. Cartier for $25. That's a fake. It's obvious. This one's real, I can tell, I think. No, it's fake. I can tell. This is plastic and not leather trim. I bet you the inside's going to be lined with a CC pattern as well. Guarantee it. Guaranteed. See? I was right. That's what makes it a fake. We'll still look around, and if we find anything, I'll show you guys. There's a cute matinette for $7.50. Pretty good condition, just a little bit of darkening. But that's a good price for that. Garnier for $15, way overpriced. I thrifted this for like $5 before. I hope like the staff doesn't think that I'm stealing, because like after I'm done filming like this, I'll throw my phone into my bag like that. But then like here I am at the wallet section. I hope you don't think that I'm like throwing a wallet inside my bag. I have no idea what this is. It looks like something like a sex page or something. I don't know. Okay, so we found nothing at Value Village. Everything was like a little bit high priced, and I don't know, just didn't find anything. So I think we're gonna off to do my haul. I don't know if we're gonna go by, we might go to Salvation Army by Polo Park, so I think we'll hit up that. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me again today. Today's video is gonna be this portion of the video is gonna be the haul portion of the video that we thrifted yesterday and today. So I'm gonna get right into it. I'll show you what we got. A lot of things were overpriced, especially at Unicity. Unicity has become like the most overpriced Value Village in the entire place where I live, Winnipeg. Unicity, you're so overpriced. Sorry. Hate to call you out, but you are, okay? Learn how to price yo crap. I picked up this Adidas hoodie because it's in a women's 2XL. And these retail for like $60, so it's really, these are somewhat expensive. Now, there is some fading in the applique, and there is some distress over here on the arm. But the thing is that I don't know if you follow men's style, but men, especially men's style, I mean, I'm sure it can transition over to us women. And men's style is very, very in right now when it comes to fading, distressing, vintage especially. Vintage never goes out of style, but when your clothes have some wear to it, especially if it's a brand name, like a sports brand name or an activewear brand name, and it has like some fading and distressing on it, it's very, very in right now. And a lot of the younger guys, they like to, you know, buy things that have distressing, not distressing like H&M, Urban Planet distressing, but actual distressing where it's actually damaged by accident, you know, like this probably got caught in the wash or something. Not where it's like, I don't know, geometrically cohesive. It's more like random, you know. So yeah, that's the only issue with this. So I picked it up. I just thought that was really a good deal. Oh, this was only $8 minus 30%. I used my final discount card. Now I don't have any more discount cards. I'm so sad. I have to pay full price at Value Village. I don't like paying full price. Ugh. But the reason that I used it, what was that sound? It sounded like a moose. I used it was to buy this because it is somewhat pricey for this. Again, my size. But this is an extremely large and long winter parka from Nike. I know when you think of winter parkas, you don't really think of Nike. You think of North Face, Columbia, Canada Goose, Montclair, things like that. And Adidas even, you know, you think of winter parkas and winter jackets. But Nike, I don't really think of winter jackets. I just think of like active wear. But this was priced at $42, and I know that sounds extremely expensive, but when you Google Nike winter parka, hella expensive. Like literally $250, $300. It's expensive because this is, number one, it's a women's 2XL, so it's a desirable size. I've had so much success selling 2XL clothing, especially winter jackets lately. I've sold maybe 3 or 4 already, like literally for full price and even more. But this has, this goes all the way down. Like it doesn't zip all the way down. It zips to your waist and then it kind of like flows down more just to cover your butt and your feet. Oh, so this is like so dirty. I guess I rubbed it against my car. But it is feathers inside. It is a gray duck down, 75%, and then 25% feathers. So it's not like high quality like, you know, the Eddie Bauer. I mean, it is still feathers and goose and duck and whatever, but it'll still keep you warm, but it's not the high quality creme de la creme, cream of the crop feathers that Canada Goose and Eddie Bauer puts in their jackets. But it's still fluffy. And I like that the hood has feathers in it too to keep you warm. But it's super big. Like, look at that, super big. So I plan on listing this for at least 120, especially since the comps are brand new is like 300 and up. Like I'll insert a picture here somewhere of the comps. But yeah, we picked that up. This is probably the keep, might resell, because my other Adidas hoodie that we purchased in the last haul, that one, the black one, that one already has a bid of, I think, $17, and I paid like $8 for it, or $7.50 or something. So yesterday we picked up this stuff. Oh, I actually didn't haul it. It's right here. Sorry. This I hauled yesterday, I think. It's this Adidas. Again, similar to that. Retail, $60. This was cheap. This was $7.50, so it's cheaper than that one. Anyway, it's not, the black isn't as vibrant as when you first buy it, but it has just that nice kind of fading, not fading, it's not really faded, it's not, but it's not as vibrant, the black. Anyway, there's no cracking on the applique, which is good. I've already listed this on Facebook auction groups, and this one has already a bit of, I think, $17 on it. So this will definitely sell for that or more. It's a women's large? No, it's a men's large, but I think it's a women's large. It looks like a women's large. Then we picked this up, this Under Armour women's. This is a large, and this was $7 too. Never usually see Under Armour priced this low. That's why I picked it up. A little bit of pilling on the back, like right here, but it's nothing like too major. Nothing too major. Remember when Victoria Beckham tried to make major happen, but it just wasn't? Oh, like here, pilling is kind of evident here too, see? But, I mean, that can be removed anyway, but pick that up regardless. And then we picked up this candle. I just thought it was very anthro with B for Boss Biatch. Grapefruit and ginger. Smells really good. A little bit overpriced, $4, but I kind of bought it for decorative purposes anyway, for the B, so I thought I bought that. This was a really good deal on this. This pink, I have one in pink, and this one was only $2. Can you believe it? So, has a little handle, has a spout, and it has that little removable cup. Someone said to put your vitamins in. I don't know. I think it's to give your dog some water, to be honest. Anyway, we pick that up. These two things were also such a good deal because these retail for like $15 at the drugstore. If you buy them at the salon, they're even more. This Joico Color Balance Purple Shampoo. Yeah, I know, perfect, right? Purple shampoo for my hair. Like, perfect. $3 for the shampoo, $3 for the conditioner. Such a good deal for these. And then the final thing is this Calvin Klein bucket bag. I'm not sure if it's leather, but the detail on this is really nice. Like, look at that. That gold detail there that says Calvin Klein. Says Calvin Klein right there. The only wear really is the scuffing on the feet, but other than that, there's like no glazing wear, no corner wear. Yeah, there's no wear on the glazes on the glazing. There's 2 exterior pockets, and inside just looks like that. I listed this for $40 online. I paid, I think, $25 for this, plus tax. Oh no, minus $2, I believe. Where's the... Yeah, I had a $2 off coupon for this. Yeah, 25 minus $2. So I basically paid like 25 because the tax would be like $2. But I think it's a cute little like style bag. It's really cute. And there's some people watching it, but no one has bid yet. So we'll see how that goes. All that we got today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm more careful with what I thrift because I don't want to collect as many things this year that have not sold, like items that have not sold, because last year I've purchased a lot of things I didn't sell, so I ended up either donating it back or giving it away. I want to be more cost effective. I want to be more smart with what I thrift, just so I can maximize my full income and potential when it comes to reselling. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to remain positive, productive, and progressive, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.